tired, Finn? You getting tired yet?
That's how the song goes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Ooh, sing VeggieTales.
VeggieTales, 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 VeggieTales.
Are you getting tired? You're silly.
Let's watch it
We'll watch it later. We're taping you now.
You'll watch it when you're not all crazy. And you'll think it's hilarious.
Say hi to your papo. He's cutie pie. You naughty cutie pie. Oh, you love Pooh Bear.
That's what he picked. He didn't even want Darth Vader.
He wanted Pooh Bear. And his little kitty cat. Getting tired, Pumpkin? Look at Nani. Vinny. Vinny, where are you?
What? Why is all this stuff on me? Put it there. Or maybe Nani put it there. I don't know.
No, I didn't. He pulled it up there.
What are you trying to do? No.
Why? You can't get up.
Try to get up. Let me see if you can. Can you sit up?
You had to take sleepy time medicine.
Let me see if you can sit up. I want to see you try to sit. Why are you making me smell your foot? You eat. Are you going to try to sit up? Let me see if you can sit up.
Sit up.
Can you get up? Sit up. Can you sit up? Come here. Get your foot out of my face.
Why are you putting your foot in Mommy's face,
Because I
Vinny?
can't get up. Here, let's get up.
Just try to get up.
Here, let's get up.
Alright, come on.
Come on. Can you not get up?
Is your arms not working?
Can you move your arms?
Can you wave? Hi. Say hi, Papo.
Do a thumbs up.
Give him a thumbs up.
Yeah.
There you go. You can still do that, huh? Yeah.
His thumb goes to the side and mine doesn't.
There's my handsome.
What?
You do thumbs up. See? When I do it, mine's straight.
That's because you got a thumb like your nanny.
I know, I do. See, mine doesn't even curve.
Mine curves. One of mine curves. Well, that one curves too.
What? I don't know what you're saying.
What?
Can you talk?
Can you sing me
Try
a
to
song
say
again?
something.
Sing me a song. Sing
Twinkle, twinkle.
Sing Party Rock Anthem. What about Sexy and I Know It?
Say it. What? Just sing it.
You want what? I can't understand you. You gotta look at me. Look at me.
Look at mommy and Ty.
What? What are you saying?
He's concerned about that on his arm. That's your bracelet. That's your pretty bracelet. It's okay.
Move that one.
It's all right, Funkin. It's all right. It's all right. That's a pretty bracelet. It's all right. I like that bracelet, Penny. Look at that nice bracelet you have. That's nice. Huh? Yeah.
One's over here.
You got another bracelet on your arm. Look
Supposed
at
to be over there. Let's move
you.
it back, okay?
Whoop.
He took it off.
Oh, yeah. You got to keep it over there where they tell you, okay?
Sing me a song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Try VeggieTales again.
Sing me.
You're going to ride in the wagon soon. Are you excited to ride in that wagon? Huh? Are you excited?
Brother pretended it was a train.
Wow.
You want to pretend it's a train, or you want to pretend it's a
Or
wagon?
maybe the Batmobile.
Oh.
What do you want it to be?
What about the Millennium Falcon?
Oh.
Or
What do you
the
want?
Star Destroyer?
What do you want it to be?
What do you want it to be?
That's a marker board.
Whatever that means. That means marker board. That is a lot. Equals marker board.
You funny.
What's his name? What's his name?
Who's this? Who's
What's his
this?
name?
Who's
Who am I?
this?
Equals mommy.
Who is this? Hey, Aunt Vinny. Vinny. Vinny, who's this? Who am I?
He can't get up.
Who am I? Right here. Who am I? Who am I? Nani. Yeah, you know who I am, don't you?
He was short.
Yeah.
What's so funny?
No,
You
have to
can't
stay
get
on
up,
the bed.
baby. You have to
can't
lay
even sit
down.
up. Try.
Sit up.
Come here. Come on. Can you not get up?
Is that funny?
You can do it.
Try. Really hard.
He wants to. He just.
Uh-oh. You feel funny?
Why are you pointing at me? Oops. I knocked off.
I'll get it. My book.
Oops. I knocked off Nani's book.
Here, zip this up.
You brought this.
You can't sit up, silly. You can't sit up.
You're stuck there. You're stuck.
We're right here with you, though. Okay? I'm taking your picture. Oh, Pooh Bear's on your head, man. That's so silly.
He doesn't even notice.
We're right here with you. Okay?
Who's talking to me right now?
Yeah. He's confused. He's like, why are all these things?
You cutie. You see Nani? Can you see your Nani?
What's wrong?
You say yes? Yes? No? You don't see Nani? Yeah? You see Nani? Okay. Okay.
Close to when I get
You're
tired.
getting sleepy, aren't you?
Mm.
You're getting sleepy. You can close your eyes, baby. Close your eyes if you're sleepy. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, there you are. You're awake. You're awake. Oh, what are you doing? It's okay. I only hold your hand, okay? You're all right. You're all right. I'm just taking your picture. Okay?
We have a whale and a penguin and an alligator on your shirt.
Yeah, that's a cool shirt there. Look. You see it?
So it's splish splash. I was taking a bath. Oh, the lines on the blanket.
Do they
You
look
like
crazy?
those?